Have you ever wondered how Netflix recommends movies or how Google understands what you search? What if your child could build their own AI-powered applications? Welcome to the AI Explorers by SkillzRevo Academy Junior, a beginner-friendly course designed for students to explore the world of AI. In this course, students learn Python, data analysis, and machine learning to build real AI projects. Students will start by understanding how AI works in real life, then learn Python programming, the most important language for AI, and move towards data analysis, visualization, and machine learning models. They will also explore deep learning, neural networks, and natural language processing. This course helps students develop analytical thinking, logical reasoning, and problem-solving skills. They will learn how to work with real datasets using tools like Pandas and NumPy. The program is divided into 6 structured modules. We begin with AI around us, understanding how AI works in daily life. Then students learn Python programming and data analysis. Next comes statistics, the foundation of data science and AI. Then machine learning, where students build prediction models. Students explore advanced AI concepts like deep learning and NLP. Finally, students build and present their own AI-based project. This course focuses on practical learning through real-world projects. Students will build exciting projects like Python Calculator, Marks Analysis Tool, Student Performance Predictor, Spam Email Classifier, Customer Segmentation Model, and a Sentiment Analysis Tool. These projects help students understand AI concepts in a fun and practical way. By the end of this course, students will have strong AI and ML fundamentals, hands-on Python experience, a real AI project portfolio, and receive an official certificate from SkillzRevo Academy Junior. The program includes 40 live sessions over 4 months. Students can choose flexible weekday or weekend batches. Students love this course because it makes AI easy, interactive, and practical. So if you want your child to start their journey into artificial intelligence, book your free demo class today and help them begin building their first AI project. The future belongs to those who understand technology, and artificial intelligence is leading that future. Don't let your child just use technology, help them learn how to create it. With SkillzRevo Academy Junior, they will not only learn AI, but also build real projects, develop confidence, and gain future-ready skills. Book a free demo class today and take the first step towards your child's AI journey. Limited seats available. Enroll now and start building the future with SkillzRevo Academy Junior.